Definitely good atmosphere.
Quite a lot of employers here.
I think people are quite surprised to find that these companies are on their doorstep. People are definitely engaged in the event.
I actually think it's been quite useful to come to this event because it's a chance to meet the different employers, especially when you're unsure of what you want to go into.
It's just important to get to know people that are in your field and that have gone through what you are currently experiencing.
I think it can benefit both the employer and the students. I would say that for the employer, I think it's quite important because you get a chance to showcase your own knowledge and practice.
I think there is a natural gap between employers being able to access students and students being able to access us.
I think it's just helpful that the uni actually helps put something on to give people the opportunity to find jobs.
With the support of USW, it's good that they do events like this so we're not just going out into the world blindfolded,
You get to know so many opportunities that you might have not even know existed. You can look at a job application online, but you can actually ask the employers directly what they're asking for.
I think it really helps with students' nerves, meeting employers.
I know for myself, I was quite anxious coming because I'm not really the biggest talker. So just do it, get out your comfort zone, just give it a go.
See for yourself and see what's out there for you.